This is David with EminiTradingStrategies.com. We have an avoided normal system entry that's happened about 8 or 9 bars ago. We're waiting to see if we get some conviction to the downside. If we get some conviction to the downside, we're going to take a pullback trade. If we don't get the conviction, we may take an EET if we get the setup on the 150. So some of the rules that I teach in the day trader course teach you how to avoid normal system entries, and that's where we're at right now. So we don't want to do anything until this market either breaks up or breaks down and gives us something to trade off of. Right now there's nothing to trade off of. So if it moves back up, we're going to avoid the normal system entry, see if we get some conviction. We'll take a pullback trade. We may get an EET on the 150. That would happen before the NSE. We'll take the EET, try to ride that up. If we catch an NSE on top of it, well, let's go ahead and get ready to do a pullback here. We're getting, let me see if we get, okay, we're getting some pretty good conviction. Let me change my bracket orders here. I got them set for 5 ticks. I need to go ahead and change this for 4. Let's put our order in at 94. Let's change this right down to, no, it's at 94. That's correct. It's going to down tick here to 93.75 here. Okay, here it is, 93.75. I'm just going to go for 4 ticks on this one. There's not a lot of room from the entry price to the bottom there. And there's about 6 ticks if it bounces right up and fills me. Could go for 5 ticks. Probably just going to go for 4. Let's see if it wants to turn up here and get us filled. Alright, it's printing. Now if it comes down and touches its profit target and I'm not filled, I'll cancel the trade because it's already over. I just wasn't filled on it. Okay, we are short on the pullback trade. Not looking too good here. It's right up just 1 tick before stop loss. We do have a long normal system entry that we're avoiding as well, so we're kind of expecting some sideways action. Time of day right now is also on our side. We're expecting some downward conviction and sideways action, so let's see if this thing turns around. Now, one good thing now with this pullback trade, if we don't get stopped out, is if we get a normal system entry to the short side, well, now we can try to squeeze an extra 1 or 2 ticks out of it. We'll probably just stick with 4, but if we get some strong moves to the downside, we may go ahead and just grab 5 ticks on a trade. So there's an EET set up. You jump in right around 93.75, 93.50. We're of course already short, so we can't short again. We're short the pullback trade. There never was a long signal on the EET. It would have been a winner, but it never did signal. So we're back into money. And again, if this, look at this. Look at this. If we get an NSE, I'm going to go ahead and grab an extra tick off this. I don't want to try to play with the bottom at 92.25, but I'll see if I can play at 92.50. Let's see if we get an NSE right here if it breaks through here. All right, there's the NSE to the short side. Let's go ahead and drag this down to 50. Let's go ahead and go for 1 more tick out of here. Why am I doing this? Simply because we have a normal system entry that is valid to the short side. I was confirming this on my other chart. EET is nice, already heading down towards profit. Now, if price action touches 75, well, look at us, we're already here at profit. I'm going to go ahead and drag my stop loss to break even as soon as it touches its target. So let me get that there in case it bounces back up. We would have been filled with a 4-tick target there, right? Got a little more aggressive going for 5 ticks. We may get stopped out at entry. So it's a little more aggressive, but oh, there it is. Okay, but that normal system entry pulled us in there saying, hey, this market's going to move down more. And look at this, we can even make some more. Let's watch this for a second, see if it wants to go down anymore. Yeah, look at that. Could have made 2 or 3 more ticks off that pullback trade once the NSE turned in your favor. That's something I teach in the Tick Trader Day Trading course. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you on the next video.